I made this in Blender. This app right here. One of the models, I'm about to load it right now. This is how I made it, and then this is what it looks like.
Oh, なるほど。
So there's this app called Flashcraft. That's the one. This is what I would use.
Oh.
Get it?
面白そうやな。
Yeah. We have this button here, and this is how I print it.
Then came out like this.
Yeah, it came out like that. Someone has to put the USB in and transfer it to the printer.
ああ、そっか。
Yep. Alright, so these are 3D models. These are all the ones that I made so far.
うん。
This is the bottle coming out of the cap. See right here, you got the treasure chest, you got this sword, and then I got the dice, this dice here.
これ全部 3D プリンターでやったの？
Yeah.
すごいな。
And then I put it in this app right here, just to send it to the printer.
今もう出来上がったのそれ？
This is what I did before, and then alright, so also I just got this car from the printer.
これ今日作ったやつ？
Yes. And I have to use this to get the things out. It's gonna take a while, so yeah. It usually takes this long to just rip off all the supports you see over here. And then this thing on the bottom. Like I literally have to it literally takes a long time to just remove all these little supports. Like I'm not joking. It's really this difficult to just remove the supports. And yes, I do have like a lot of trash laying around here when I try to like remove the supports. Well, I mean it's still a great model, at least. But this is gonna take me a while. That's where the models belong when they're printing.
プリントしてるとこを録画できればよかったね。
You have been an amazing camper during this session. You worked hard on your tasks and projects and asked great questions. You are always eager to learn and even more eager to put what you have learned in place. Your skills showed when you created a treasure chest and a bottle with a working lid, developing how much you learned and your ability to develop practical prints. You are a lovely student to work with, and I wish you the absolute best for the rest of the summer.
Thank you.
で、この間最後にプリントアウトした車終わったか。
Yep.
ちょっと見せてみ。
This took me days to just literally take out the whole thing. It had a lot of supports in it.
うん。
You see, it hurts a lot.
手が痛かった？
Mm-hmm.
うん。まあでもよう頑張ったね。
Arigato.
うん。